Russia and Ukraine kept the diplomatic path open with a new round of talks yesterday, even as Moscow military operations continued at Kyiv and other cities across Ukraine. The talks ended without a breakthrough after several hours, with an aide to Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky saying the negotiators took a technical pause and plan to meet again today. With the war raging and the West ramping up sanctions on Russia, the United Nations chief Antonio Guterres has said the war is causing skyrocketing food, fuel and fertilizer prices. Secretary General Antonio Guterres yesterday said Russia and Ukraine represent more than half of the world's supply of sunflower oil and about 30% of the world's wheat, the supplies of which have been seriously disrupted. The Wahesh Nong of